Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you a simple banking system built in Dart which perfectly demonstrates the four main pillars of object-oriented programming, that is encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction and polymorphism. Let's dive right into the code. First, we have got a custom class called banking exception. This is used whenever something goes wrong, like trying to withdraw a negative amount or exceed limits. It gives us a clean, readable error message instead of messy runtime errors. And then we have next abstract class called interest bearing. It defines three things. Every interest earning amount should have a monthly interest rate, a way to calculate interest and a way to apply it. So any account type that implements this interface must define how its interest works. And then we have transaction record, which stores each deposit, withdraw, transfer in, transfer out, or fee and interest. It keeps a track of date, type, amount and mode. Basically it's our digital transaction history. Then this is the core of our system, the abstract class bank account. It contains data for all accounts, account number, holder name and balance. The underscore before variable name, that is a private in Dart. This is how encapsulation works, hiding internal data from outside modification. Bank account also defines abstract methods, deposit and withdraw. These must be implemented differently in every account type, and this is how we'll demonstrate polymorphism. Then we have account inheritance. Here comes inheritance in the action, where different accounts are there. Saving account, our first subclass is saving account. It extends bank account and implements the interest bearing interface. इसको rule और say minimum balance is $500, 2% monthly interest, only 3 withdrawals per month, so it overrides the deposit and withdraw method and it's with its own logic. And next is checking account. It is simpler, no minimum balance, but if the account goes negative, it automatically charges a $35 overdraft fee. Then comes premium account. This one is a VIP. For VIP customers, it's required a minimum balance of $10,000 and give you a high 5% monthly interest. No withdrawal limit, but it can't go below the $10,000. And then finally we have student account. It is a special type of account, no fee at all, but there is a soft cap of $5,000 maximum balance. It's realistic but simple. Now here all these accounts are managed by the bank class. Think of it as a control center. It gives all accounts stored in a map and provide method to create accounts, find accounts, transfer money between accounts, apply monthly processing like interest and reset counter. Inside the monthly process, it loops through all accounts, resets savings, withdrawal accounts, and applies interest to all interest-bearing accounts. This is where polymorphism really shines, because even though the account just calls apply monthly interest, each account type runs its own version of that function. And here comes the main function. We bring everything together. First we create a bank called Nepal Bank. Then we have 4 accounts: saving, checking, premium and student. Then we perform a few actions, that is deposit and withdrawal, transfer between accounts, test the withdrawal limit, trigger overdraft and balance cap errors. We also simulate a monthly process to apply interest and reset limits. Finally we print record and full transaction statement. When we run this program, we will see a transaction listed clearly: deposit, withdrawal, overdraft fee, transfer and interest credited. This is how each account behaves differently, even though they all share the same parent class, and that's polymorphism in action. So that's our complete Dart banking system, showing how real-world banking rule can be modeled cleanly using object-oriented principle. It is a great foundation for anyone learning Dart or OOP concepts. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.